Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar's government is all set to face the trust vote in the Haryana Assembly today. Amid the ongoing farmers' agitation with this move, the Haryana Congress Party is trying to unsettle the ruling BJP-JJP dispensation and win the Jhat community to their side by passing the no-confidence motion against the state government, projecting it as anti-farmers. Now, will the BJP-JJP succeed in proving a majority today? My colleague Amandeep joining us for more details. Amandeep, what are you getting us the latest on ground?
Crispino, 11 a.m. is the time when the discussion on no confidence motion will be starting. And in fact, this is very crucial time just because the JJP, BJP and Congress party has already issued the whip for their own legislative members and asking them to support or to go against according to their own agenda. And in fact, the most important point of this entire scenario is that JJP is having 10 MLAs in the government, and one of the MLAs have started raising the voice against the government and advising the JJP party to withdraw the support from BJP government. But somewhere down the line, it is very much apprehended just because 30 MLAs from the side of the Congress are in the House. And in fact, out of that, 23 MLAs have supported the no confidence motion and signed the no confidence motion. But after issuing the whip in the Vidhan Sabha Assembly, all the legislative members will be present today in the House to attend the no confidence motion discussion. And today is a very important day, though the Manohar Lal Khattar claimed that there is no threat to the government. Anil Vij, cabinet minister, claimed that there is no threat to the government. And in fact, the deputy CM, Dushyant Chautala, also claimed that they will reply to the Congress inside the House when the no confidence motion will be discussed. And on the other side, even the Congress party is saying that there are certain MLAs who wanted to withdraw their support from the government just because ongoing farmers issue. They are not able to attend the gatherings in their own constituency. They are not able to go into the public meetings just because they are facing the criticism on ground. The situation is entirely very critical. But by 11 a.m., the discussion will be started. And in fact, that will be proved that either the BJP-JJP government will be able to go against the no confidence motion or the Congress party will prove their own mettle on the House.
Also, the farmer leaders have also issued a threat to the MLAs. They have asked them to show support for the no confidence motion or face ostracization. Take us through that as well.
Exactly, Crispino. That was very surprising just because on the day one, when the Congress party has moved the no confidence motion and speaker decided the date of discussion, on the very next day, Gurnaam Singh Charuni had released the video asking the people to go to the JJP and BJP MLAs offices, houses and start protesting and start giving them the alerts that either they should support the no confidence motion or they will have to face the social boycott. This is actually very surprising. And in fact, the Kisan Netas are now indulging into the politics also. They claim that to try to put maximum pressure on the BJP and JJP MLAs so that they can support the no confidence motion or either they will face the social boycott. This is actually very surprising.
Well, do take us through all the latest updates as it pans out. Thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. I'm Amandeep.